Guys, it's Aaron here with Straight Line Cycles, and in this video we got a little treat for you. It's going to be a lot of work. So I've partnered up with SuperClean to help get this thing cleaned out, and trust me, it's going to be a lot of work. And then we also have some Kilmat, and make it not so noisy. So let's get started, guys.
Only thing on my mind, you've been in it some time. Look at me for some light. It ain't like it's the fight now. Spending all of our lives, sharing all of our highs and lows when we open our eyes. Let's stay high on love, our soul. Yeah, we high on hope. Yeah, we high.
I'll come back through and dry this, and then we'll super clean it.
Don't know it. Is it alive? Are we alive? Caught in the spiral, lies on the line. Are we the gods? Losing our mind. Put on the Bible and we'll survive. Yeah, all I need to get by, all I need to get high. Fuck them all till we die. No, it's all just a lie, yeah. We gave all of our tries, sharing all of our cries. I know, follow me to the sky. Let's stay high on love, our soul. Yeah, we high on hope. Yeah, we high on dope, yeah. They lie, let our love die slow. Even God don't know it. Is it alive? Are we alive? Caught in the spiral, lies on the line. Are we the gods? Losing our mind. Put on the Bible and we'll survive. I don't wanna wake up if I ain't got you by my side. Fucking's how we make up. Keep it through the afterlife. Let's stay high on love, our soul. Yeah, we high on hope. Yeah, we high on dope, yeah. They lie, let our love die slow. Even God don't know it. Is it alive? Are we alive? Caught in the spiral, lies on the line. Are we the gods? Losing our mind. Put on the Bible and we'll survive.
I'd say that's pretty clean, guys. there's one box of Kilmat installed. Now I got about 2 or 3 more boxes coming, so I'll get the rest of that knocked out, and then we'll go from there. But I'm gonna go ahead and call this video now. It is about 100 degrees and I'm super hot. Thank you, SuperClean, for helping me out with this. Later, guys.